What's the meaning of concubine? Concubine. Concubine.
Concubine. Concubine. A concubine is a woman who is in a subordinate position to a man in a sexual and domestic relationship, not considered a wife. In many cultures throughout history, men were allowed to have multiple wives and concubines. Concubines were often viewed as inferior to wives and were not given the same legal status or protections. They were typically chosen for their beauty or other desirable qualities, and their main purpose was to provide sexual pleasure and bear children. While the practice of having concubines has largely disappeared in modern times, it still exists in some cultures and is considered controversial.